Hiccups, really? I hate them.
Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Drury Lane? Well, she's married to the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man!
You son of a biscuit-eating bulldog.
What the French toast? You think I wouldn't find out about your doo-doo-head cootie queen? Who you calling a cootie queen, you lamp liquor?
Tickle you kumquat.
You're overreacting.
No, Bill, overreacting is when I put your convertible in a wood chip. Stinky McStink face.
Fabulous. New Orbit Raspberry Mint has cleaned another dirty mouth. Freaking clean feeling, no matter what. Wow, that commercial was pretty much a fail. I had nobody else's home, and so I just did it myself, and it turned out really bad, but I hope you know what commercial I'm talking about. That's my beyond favorite commercial. So funny, so funny. I'm really excited to see everybody else's. I picked that Orbit commercial because it's the funniest one I've ever seen. My sister Melanie and I have watched it at least 20 times on YouTube and stuff, and she calls me Lint Liquor, and I call her Cootie Queen all the time. I have her in my phone as that too. It is so nice outside today. Everything's melting, and hold on. I'll cut it now, and we'll go outside. Well, we're outside my house right now. The sun's shining, but it's getting dark because it's like around 5 o'clock. But it's pretty sunny, and it's warm. I could wear this and not be cold. Still snow on the ground. Yeah, well, since everybody else, since Leah took hers outside on Saturday, I thought I would take mine out since it's warm and the weather's getting cool and it's 50 degrees and it's so amazing. I'm so happy that it's getting warm. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'm excited for tomorrow. I'm excited for James. I can't wait to see what commercial or movie or TV show, whatever you guys pick. I'm excited. I was going to pick House, but then I decided that would be kind of hard because I can't. There's like so many people in House that I'd be like switching, but whatever. I'm your Monday. Strawberry Muffin, signing out.